Welcome, I'm from the Samsung Galaxy M22, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. Now to get started, let's open up settings. From here you want to scroll down to general management, select reset, factory data reset, and then reset. If you have some kind of PIN, pattern, password, you'll need to confirm it before you see this page, but once you do, you'll see it, and from here all you need to do is tap on delete all, and this will begin the process, which will take a couple minutes, so just be patient, and once it's finished you'll then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see now, the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.